Previous lesson, we studied about multiplication of algebraic expressions. In this lesson, we'll study division of algebraic expressions with rational coefficients. Our objective for this lesson is that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to perform division of algebraic expressions with rational coefficients. In the division of algebraic expressions, we divide the coefficients separately and the variable also separately. If the variables are the same, we pick one and subtract the powers. So for example, if we have 6m to the power 4 divided by 2m squared, 6m to the power 4 means m to the power 4 means m is multiplying itself 4 times. So m multiplying m all over 2m squared also means 2 multiplying m squared means m is multiplying itself 2 times. So m multiplying m. M will go into m. This m will also cancel this m. Now 6 divided by 3, 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Then we are left with m multiplying m. So the variables are the same. So from multiplication of algebraic expressions, we pick 1 because they are the same. Then we add the exponent. The exponent here is 1, and the exponent here is also 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So 6m to the power 4 divided by 2m to the power 2 gives us 3m to the power 2. We can also solve this by using also a second method, or you can say that 6m to the power 4 divided by 2m to the power 2 will be equal to 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Then the variables, there is division, so we pick 1. So it's going to be 4 minus 2. Then we have 3m to the power 2. So if we also have y cubed divided by y, in this case, the coefficient here is 1 and the coefficient here is also 1. So 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. So because we are dealing with the variables are the same, we pick 1 and then we subtract their exponent. So 3. The exponent here is 1, so minus 1, and that gives us y to the power 2. So if we have 24m to the power 3 divided by 2m, so in this case 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. The variables are the same, so we pick 1. Because the sign between them is division, we subtract their exponent. So the exponent here is 1. So 3 minus 1 gives us 2. So the answer will be 12m squared. So if we have y to the power 2 divided by y to the power 2. In this case, the variables are the same, so we pick 1. And because the sign between them is division, we subtract their exponent. So 2 minus 2 gives us y to the power 0. And any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So if we have 21a divided by 3a, this one gives us 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. Then the variables, because they are the same, we pick one and then we subtract their exponent. The exponent here is 1 and the exponent here is also 1. So it's going to be 1 minus 1. And this gives us 7a to the power 0. So this gives us 7. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So 7 multiplying 1, our final answer becomes 7. If we want to express this one in a different way, we can say that or 21a is the same as 21 multiplied by a. All over 3a is the same as 3 multiplied by a. So this a will cancel this a. So 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. So if we also have m divided by m, then in that case, because the variables are the same, we pick 1, and then what we have to do is to subtract their powers or exponent. So the exponent here is 1, and the exponent here is 1, giving us m to the power 0. And the number raised to the power 0 is 1. In this lesson, we studied about division of algebraic expressions. In our next lesson, we'll study simplifications of algebraic expressions. See you in the next lesson.